In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the Bitdefender Firewall. Whether you're new to Bitdefender or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through the process step by step so you can manage your firewall settings with ease and ensure your computer remains secure. Let's start by opening the Bitdefender application on your device. If you haven't already downloaded this powerful security software, you can do so from the Bitdefender website. Once you have the app installed, open it, and let's dive into configuring your firewall. After you've opened Bitdefender, look for the section labeled Protection on the main dashboard. This is where you can access all of Bitdefender's safety features, including the vital firewall settings. Clicking on Protection will bring up various security tools that help protect your device from potential threats and intrusions. Now that you're in the protection area, locate the firewall option and click on it. The firewall is a crucial component that helps stave off unauthorized access while allowing you to keep legitimate network and internet traffic flowing smoothly. It's sort of like a security guard that checks whether the incoming data is safe or not. With the firewall panel open, your next step is to click on Settings. This is where you'll find all the customizable features of your Bitdefender firewall. In this section, you can fine-tune how your firewall interacts with your computer and network, adjusting things like network adapters, rules for apps and services, and much more. Now, a good tip to keep in mind while tweaking these settings is to stick to configurations that you're familiar with, especially if you're not particularly tech-savvy. Bitdefender generally comes with preset configurations that suit most users, so unless you have a specific issue or requirement, these default settings should suffice to keep your computer safe while maintaining performance. In conclusion, by following these easy steps, you'll be able to adjust your Bitdefender firewall settings effortlessly. Remember, maintaining your firewall properly is essential to protect your system from unwanted intrusions and potential cyber threats. So, open your Bitdefender app, navigate to Protection, click on Firewall, then go into Settings to make any desired changes. And there you have it. You've just learned how to navigate and adjust your Bitdefender firewall settings. Taking the time to configure your security settings properly can make a significant difference in keeping your device protected from online threats. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.